Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying model and Android version, because tools vary by build and security patch. Next, make sure USB debugging is enabled or you can access the Google account linked to the device. This determines which non-destructive method works. Connect to a PC with ADB installed. Once done, authorize the PC if prompted. You need reliable power and a data cable. Make sure battery is above half. This prevents interruptions that could corrupt user data. Now you execute the middle steps. If USB debugging is active, use ADB to access /data/system and remove the lock screen files. This temporarily unlocks many devices. Once removed, reboot and set a new lock. If ADB is unavailable, try Google Find My Device to set a temporary password or trigger smart lock options via trusted devices/places. Move deliberately. Each command can change system state. Make sure to back up visible files immediately after access is restored. Finish by restoring security. Set a new PIN or password and verify you can boot normally. Then create a full backup to cloud or PC. If the device still resists unlock, boot into safe mode to disable third-party lock apps or use the OEM official recovery/diagnostic tool before resorting to wipes. If you run into errors, note exact messages and try again. A single troubleshooting tip: check cable and driver integrity first, because connection faults commonly cause partial failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.